Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us once again here at SGTV. We are back with Tim Shaw at your fully kitted out studio, and I'm a little bit jealous of all the good shiny gear you've got in here.
Well, I'm a little bit jealous of some of the gear you brought here and I'm not taking home with me.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing, luckily I do have, which is a great piece of kit, and this is the MagDuo, right?
MagDuo fire system, this is. It's two colours, so up on the entrance of your studio, you've got it in a light grey, and we've got the black version here.
Right. What makes this special? What's unique about this?
Okay, so the clue's in the name. It's MagDuo, so it's two Wi-Fi system. So traditionally, you'd have sounders on one circuit and detectors on another.
Right.
So that involves a lot more labour, a lot more drilling, could be tearing through walls or ceilings, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Whereas this is everything on the one circuit. So you can have sounders and detectors on the same circuit.
Right. So you'd run your wire from this and you'd go, I'll chuck in a sounder here.
Yep.
Carry on that same wire.
Yep.
I'll have a detector there.
Yep.
There are two sounders, three detectors,
point,
whatever
you want. Strobe.
So how many per channel or per wire, whatever it's called?
Okay.
How many can you have?
So you've got a 2-zone panel here.
Yeah.
We do up to 8 zones. Each zone, you can have 32 devices per zone. So, I mean,
32?
For 32. So for a building like here, where you've got downstairs and upstairs, you might class it as 2 zones, or even 3, depending on what you've got back there.
Yeah.
If you're in a big office where you've got multiple floors, departments, you might want to segment them into zones. So it's perfect for that kind
Clever stuff. I mean, I do remember when the Sparky Owen wired this into our place, he said, Tim, there must be something wrong here. I've wired in loads of, fire detection systems, and they always need a ring or a radial for the sounders and a radial for the detectors. And he went, everything on one. So he actually rang ESP. Okay. And they went, no, yes, exactly what it is. So you can see mine are up here, and you've just got the wire going in and out and to the next one, in and out to the next one. And he fitted this thing yet again in rapid time and got to the end, got halfway through the day and went, that's weird. I've only done half a day and that's fitted. Must be something wrong. Hence why you made that phone call. And there was nothing wrong. It works great.
Exactly.
So it's clever gear. Okay, so up to 8 zones, 1, 2, 4, or 8.
Yeah, you can actually have extra zones with repeater panels. So you can go bigger, you can go larger, depending on where you're
how big your building is.
Exactly.
I mean, 8 zones with 32 on each, man, you've got to have a big building if you need more. But you can keep going. Small
industrial unit, massive tower block, whatever you need. Industrial, commercial. And it's not only the panel itself that they've sort of put some thought into. One of the products, I mean, you've just pointed to one up there that's got the dust cover on. Yeah. You've got what's called FlexiPoint detector from MagDuo. So this can do heat detecting, smoke detecting. It can be a sounder, it can be a strobe, all built in one. So although we sell them as separate pieces, you've got your sounder, strobes, call points. This does sounder, strobe.
So that's one hit for the lot in one go.
Exactly.
So you just have a few of those around, your job done.
If you wanted to, yeah.
Right, okay. What about, a friend of mine has a system whereby if a fire goes off, it takes control of the shutters of the building.
Shutter control, yeah. So that's all available to program on your panel here.
So this does it?
So that does it, yeah.
Right, so is there anything this doesn't do?
Well, it's not going to fix one of your cars, but it'll stop it getting burned.
Are you sure? Have you tried that?
Well, we could try it.
The thing I've noticed about this, which is good, is locating where the fault is. Because we've tested it, and you've got this panel here, which tells you precisely where in the line it is.
Yeah, they call it end-of-line monitoring. So, as you've pointed out, you've got little parts on the front here that will light up and tell you where the fault is.
Great. Good piece of kit, that MagDuo.
Exactly. That's the MagDuo range from ESP. If you like what you see here and you want to see more from myself and Tim, reviewing some of the products that have been fitted out in the studio, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.